Every regime in Nigeria, apart from Tinubu yet, has set up an electoral reform panel. And they will come up with beautiful resolutions. The best one has been by Wike's panel, set up by the late Yaradua. I'm suggesting, sir, that there are certain aspects of that panel report that have not been implemented. One of them provides, and this is the fundamental root of rigging. One of them is that when you want to fill a vacancy, the position of the INEC chairman, Rex, and whatever, shall be advertised. Those positions shall be advertised. The National Judicial Council will be saddled with the responsibility, I think because Justice Wike was the chairman, to shortlist the candidate and send the 3 names, the best 3 names, to the Senate through the president. So it's not a question of filling the Electoral Commission with your party members. The last time some Rex were appointed, about 10 of them. We identified 4 who are card-carrying members of political parties, contrary to the provision of the Constitution. So we are in court on that to get those 4 people removed, members of the ruling party. But what is important is that we should go back to Wike's panel's report and ensure that these positions are advertised. So if I know a lecturer who send marks to past students, so you can't be the INEC chairman or a member of the Electoral Commission, and this is the way we should go. The other recommendation of that panel, which I have already submitted, is that all election petitions be concluded before inauguration. Now, we don't need 6 months, sir. 180 days to decide who won an election, whether it was qualified or not. Pre-election matters, whether I attended a university or not. How, in this modern age, why should that take 6 months? Even from that, where the judge is sitting, the judge can call the vice chancellor of that university or issue an order on that university. Can you bring the record of Mr. So-so and so? So that can be discussed in 2 weeks, sir. Pre-election matters in 2 weeks. Post-election matters in 2 weeks. Then we are moving.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.